You can say it is thick. My father's father's mustache. My father's mustache is not thick. My father's mustache is not thick. So you can say sometimes not that thick. What is that? That thick කියන්නේ එච්චර ගණන එච්චර not that thick. So, අපිට අතින් පෙන්නලා අහන්න පුළුවන් is that this thick? This thick කියන්නේ මොකද? This thick කියන්නේ මෙච්චර ගණනද? අපිට කවුරු හරි ළමයෙක්ව පෙන්නලා අහන්න පුළුවන් is he this tall කියලා අතින් පෙන්නලා අහන්න is he this tall? No, he is not that tall. නෑ එච්චර උස.
මේ තරම්
this එක හරි ස්පෙෂල් යෙදුමක් හරි ඕනම ඇඩ්ජෙක්ටිව් එක ඉස්සරහින් දාන්න පුළුවන්. මම හිතුවේ නෑ maths මේ තරම් අමාරුයි කියලා. I didn't expect maths was this hard. Hard, I know hard, but not this hard. මෙච්චර hard කියලා මම හිතුවේ. Okay, something like that. And thank you, Hangjini. What about who are the other people? We have only 5 people. Netrava, have you got to say something about mustache? Does your father sport a mustache? What is your idea about mustache? You think it is unclean, unkempt, dirty, or not very good? Oh, it's good. What is your idea about mustache?
I think this mustache is unclean, and my father has his mustache. Is that not?
It's beautiful. Your father's one is beautiful.
Yeah.
This one is obvious.
Yeah.
All right. That's what you say. And I thought, I have told that we should do this class. Okay, did you hear that? Kumar, did you hear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
It was a beautiful song.
Somewhat.
Somewhat, okay.
Because I don't like
the words anyway.
my song. Yes.
You understand the words?
No, sir.
I'll try again. Okay, without giving the things, I give the words.
If you've only got a mustache, a mustache, a mustache. If you've only got a mustache, a mustache, a mustache, a mustache, big mustache, thick mustache, my mustache, your mustache. Say the word mustache, a mustache, a mustache. Now we both have said mustache, a mustache, a mustache. If you've only got a mustache.
Oh, it's like a rain. So you didn't hear words, Kumar?
I heard.
What did you hear? Did you hear at least some words clear or no words clear? No? Anybody who heard words? Abdul, did you hear some words?
Yeah, thick mustache, my mustache, your mustache.
Yeah, something like this. Look here.
Yeah.
We read that if you've only got a mustache, they say like that. Read with me. If you only got a mustache, read that. If you have
only got a mustache.
Got a mustache, not got a mustache. Right? You will
got a mustache.
You will understand the real pronunciation. If you say got a mustache, finish. You never sing this song. And you say that if you have, you can't sing this song. If you've only got a mustache. That's a pronunciation. මේ වෙනස් වෙන්නේ අපි කියන විදිහ වෙනස් වෙන්නේ අපි කියන්නේ වෙනස් විදිහකට මේ සින්දු හරි ප්‍රයෝජනයි අපිට. එතකොට සින්දු කියන්න පුළුවන් වෙනවා නම් ඒ විදිහට කතා කරන්න. If you කියන
If you
you
only got a mustache,
got a mustache. A mustache,
a mustache,
a mustache.
a mustache.
If you only got a mustache.
You only got a mustache,
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 big mustache,
big mustache,
thick mustache,
thick mustache,
my mustache,
my mustache,
your mustache.
your mustache.
Say the word, say the word, say the word, the word mustache.
Say the word mustache.
Say the word mustache.
Say the word
Word mustache.
mustache.
The word mustache.
Say the word mustache.
A mustache,
A mustache,
a mustache.
a mustache.
Now we both have said mustache,
Now we both have said mustache,
a mustache,
a mustache,
a mustache.
a mustache.
If you only got a mustache,
If you only got a mustache,
got a mustache.
got a mustache.
Then if you only got a mustache, if only කියන්නේ අනේ එහෙම තිබුණා නම් අනේ ඔයාටත් රැවුලක් තිබුණා නම් කියන අදහස තියෙනවා. I've only got a mustache. If only කියන්නේ කියන්නේ අනේ මටත් තිබුණා නම් අනේ ඔයාට රැවුලක් තිබුණා නම් a mustache, if you only got a mustache. ඔයාට රැවුලක් තිබුණා නම් big mustache, ලොකු රැවුලක්, thick mustache, රැවුලක්, my mustache, your mustache. Say the word mustache.
Say the word
Say the word mustache.
Say the word mustache.
Right. Wait, now wait. Say the word mustache. A mustache. Again, say the word mustache. Mustache කියන වචනේ කියන්න. A mustache. Now we both have said mustache. දැන් අපි දෙන්නා mustache කියලා කිව්වා. A mustache. If you only got a mustache. මේ කියන්නේ ලොකු සින්දුවක මේ ඉවර වෙන කෑල්ල තමයි මේ කියාගෙන යනවා. ඒතර ටික මම ගත්තේ නැහැ. එතකොට මේ ඔක්කොම දෙන mustache කියන වචනේ. දැන් ඔයගොල්ලෝ බලන්න මේ සින්දුව ගැද්දි මේකත් එක්කලා කෑ ගහලා කියන්න. Okay.
If you've only got a mustache, a mustache, a mustache. If you've only got a mustache, a mustache, a mustache, a mustache. Big mustache, my mustache, your mustache. Say the word mustache, a mustache, a mustache. Now we both have said mustache, a mustache, a mustache. If you've only got a mustache.
සින්දු ඉවර වෙන කොටස තමයි මේ powerful කොටස. So, did you enjoy, Kumara?
sir.
You heard the words?
Yes. Now I can't understand.
Now you can't understand, or now you can understand.
Yes. Now I can't understand.
Can understand.
Yes.
Now we'll try again. So we remember the word mustache, right? We never forget it. Okay. Okay. Sing again.
If you've only got a mustache, a mustache, a mustache. If you've only got a mustache, a mustache, a mustache, a mustache. Big mustache, my mustache, your mustache. Say the word mustache, a mustache, a mustache. Now we both have said mustache, a mustache, a mustache. If you've only got a mustache.
Right. That is about mustache. Okay. What is your idea about this song? Hanjani, what is your idea about the song? If you know English songs are like this sometimes, what is your idea? We normally can't hear the words sometimes, so we don't like English songs because they are very fast and rhythm is very different. What is your idea about this mustache song?
This song is good. Actually, some words of that we can understand before seeing the lyrics. So and
It's only one word here, mustache. That is the word.
word Yeah, yes, sir. And the meaning of that is very simple, so it's very it's easy to understand.
Yeah, but this song is now
Mm.
look here. There are these two people. They don't have mustache, and this is from a sing. I think Million Ways to Die in the West. That may be the film, old film. And there one person is singing in a club or somewhere. He's insulting people without mustache. He says these people they have no mustache. These men they have no mustache, and they are like women, something like that, right? He's insulting. So a lot of people gathered there, and they start singing this song. So against the people who are not having mustache. Now this look at the face of this man in the picture. He has no mustache. The other man has no mustache. So do you think if he has mustache, he might be more handsome or this way is better?
I think that if he had a mustache, it will be better for him than now.
Cases, some people are mustache is good for some people, and some people, some men, mustache is ugly. When they have the mustache, it is like they have something from outside or just something fixed there. It is not some seem doesn't seem to be natural. So they better cut it off. So there are cases like that, and some people think it is very clean when you have no mustache, and I don't know. So Samarkon,
Yes, sir.
what is your idea about this? Did you hear the song?
I just see.
What is your idea about this song and this mustache? We were talking about mustache, and we are going very slowly and learning collocations and grammar and practicing. So even last week they said this way is good, so I'm keeping that. And what is your idea about mustache and this song?
Yes, they are explaining about their mustache.
Yes.
They both don't have mustache. That's the case.
Do do you personally like mustache or not?
I don't like it.
You don't like it. You
It's
shave it.
yes, because it is difficult to manage.
Difficult to manage.
We will have to think more than that because we have to think about mustache also. If we don't have anything, we no need to think like a monk.
Uh-huh. So it is unnecessary problem.
Yes,
Thinking about
definitely.
mustache. You have so many words to think rather than worrying about mustache. And that's your point. Okay.
Yes.
Abdul, what is your contribution for mustache?
In my point of view, sir, I think having a little bit mustache is better.
Uh-huh.
Yes.
Little bit mustache means very thin mustache.
Yes, thin mustache.
Thick mustache, no.
Thick mustache is not good.
It's not clean.
Yes, it's not clean. Yes.
Okay. Nirupa, do you have some contribution towards this topic?
Regarding this song or that
Anything? Anything? I want you to talk. Don't worry about what you talk. You just talk.
First of all, if the song is said about mustache, that is
impressive.
yeah.
Voice is marvelous. The singer's voice is marvelous, isn't it?
No, I don't
That's the song.
think. So regarding the songs, that's it is very useful to develop our vocabulary, the mustache, the meaning, and the pronunciation that we can get the theme from the song. And about the song, about this picture, I think the man, if the front man, if he had a mustache, it is not suit for him, I think.
Doesn't suit. The mustache won't suit for this man.
Yes.
Mhm.
Mm, that's it.
That's it.
Yes.
So do you think your personal idea that people, men having mustache is more handsome than the others, or it's not a big problem?
I think that depends on the
The shape of
person.
the face.
Yes, shape of the face. If
What kind of shapes are there? We have oval shape and we have long face.
yes,
Maybe
and
somebody remembers all the shapes, can tell me what are the shapes of the faces? Who remembers?
round face, ovals, shape, heart face, shape, and
Oval,
heart,
heart.
and other one I couldn't.
That's how you should have. You have to learn the lesson, right?
Yes.
Yes. Did you listen to the recording? No.
No, sir. In those days, I have so many issues.
What about these days?
No, these days, yes.
Uh-huh. All right. So, Kumar, do you remember the shapes of faces? Shape of faces? What shapes do we have of face?
Yes, are you asking about the person shape?
Face.
Oh,
Face. Only the face.
yes. I think that it means he has oblong face.
Oblong, yes. Long,
Yes, oval.
oval.
Yes, it's relative to person by person. I think that he has oval or oblong.
Mhm.
Both we can guess both of them.
Yeah.
So yeah, then actually for such person who have oblong or oval face, it is better for a mustache.
Okay. Right. Netraba, what is your idea about this song?
I think so. This song is good, and I think thin mustache is better because thick mustache is difficult to maintain.
Okay. Right. We have to now. We can listen to this song again because the last part. If you've only got a mustache, see the pronunciation mustache, mustache. Last one sh sound mustache. A mustache, a mustache. If you only got a mustache, a mustache, a mustache, a mustache. Now you better you can't sing the song. You don't have to sing the song, but you can read the words to the rhythm. If you only got a mustache, a mustache, a mustache. If you only got a mustache, a mustache, a mustache, a mustache. It is not you are not singing, but you just read in the rhythm. Big mustache, thick mustache, my mustache, your mustache. Say the word mustache, a mustache, a mustache. This is little hard. Say the word mustache. If you can't read together, you can say the word mustache. Say the word mustache. Say the word mustache. Say the word mustache. Right? A mustache, a mustache. Now we both have said mustache, a mustache, a mustache. If you only got a mustache. So now you can see.
If you've only got a mustache, a mustache, a mustache. If you've only got a mustache, a mustache, a mustache, a mustache. Big mustache, thick mustache, my mustache, your mustache. Say the word mustache, a mustache, a mustache. Now we both have said mustache, a mustache, a mustache. If you've only got a mustache.
Both means two. We too have said the word mustache. Now we move. We have handlebar mustache. What is handlebar mustache? Handlebar mustache. What is a handlebar mustache? That is a wide, thick mustache with the ends curving slightly upwards. Curving කියන්නේ හැරෙනවා. Slightly කියන්නේ යාන්තමට උඩට හැරෙනවා අර අග තුඩින්. ඒකට අපි කියන්නේ handlebar mustache. බලනකොට වචන තියෙන හැම එකකට. Handlebar mustache. Kumar, have you seen handlebar mustache? Hmm? Have you seen handlebar mustache?
Yes, sir. I have seen it from Korale Mahatya.
Oh, yes, yes,
Do you know him?
yes, yes.
Yes, at Muam Palace.
Uh-huh.
So when we hear the Muam Palace, we can't see
Can't see the picture.
handlebar mustache. But if you see in the TV,
Uh-uh.
then we have to we had to so handlebar mustache.
Handlebar කියන්නේ මෙතන මේ මොකද? ඒක තේරුම අර hand මිට කියන එක.
Oh,
Handlebar mustache. Hand මිට තරගින් හැරලා තියෙනනේ. Something
oh,
like that.
sir.
අර hand අරගෙන මෙහෙම කියලා එතන අර ලොකු අර පැටිය වගේ තියෙන කෑල්ල කපලා දාපුවම it's handlebar mustache. Okay, we'll see handlebar mustache, some pictures. There are handlebar mustache. Can you see handlebar mustache? Okay, now tell
Yes,
me,
sir.
tell me
Yes,
what.
sir. You know that King Dutugamunu also had the handlebar mustache.
Yes.
Yes.
Anyway, what is your idea? If the present people having handlebar mustache, it's good though. Do you think? What is your idea?
I think, sir, that handlebar mustache is show. It is used for the person is very cruel,
Ah,
but sometimes maybe not.
yes.
But I think that in my childhood, in my village, there was a person.
Yes.
He has a handlebar mustache,
Yes.
and he always drink arak, and he always talk very shoutly.
Loudly.
Yes, loudly, and she show the handlebar mustache,
Uh-huh.
and they turn the end of them.
Yeah.
Then we are afraid. We were afraid all those days
Uh-huh.
because
Handlebar mustache.
yes, we thought that he was a cruel man.
Mhm.
But now he has died. But I think that most of cruel persons
Hmm.
try
Sports.
to show their yes
Sports.
cruel yes
Rural people sport handlebar mustache.
handlebar mustache. Yes.
Do you like to sport handlebar mustache yourself?
No, sir.
Good luck.
Actually, I don't like mustache or beard, such a things, because I want to shave. Yes, I want to shave in the morning.
Uh-huh.
That's my duty. First duty.
Duties.
Go to the bathroom and wash my face and brush teeth, such a things, and I shave I shave, and if I couldn't do it, I think that I didn't wash my face.
You feel very uncomfortable.
Yes. In the morning, that's
You
my
have
first duty.
little bit mustache. You have never had the mustache in your life.
No, sir.
You never sport.
No, sir. In my university life, I have no time to shave it. Then I have such a thing. But
After that,
After that, yes, we
you-
have some. Yeah, now it's a habit of mine.
Mhm. Your wife has never asked you to sport a mustache or beard.
No, sir, no,
Uh,
because she didn't see it from me.
he,
Didn't see it
she
from me.
has not seen you are having it.
Yeah, yes.
Uh,
So
all right.
he hate it.
Oh, she hates.
Yeah, because my son also now have beard someone.
Uh,
So she always asked him to shave it.
uh, because she is taking you for an example.
Yeah.
She's shouting at him, save it.
Yeah, yeah.
But poor boy, he might like.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah, the first thing. So they like it.
Oh, yeah. But he has no chance.
Yes, but I don't like to force it. Don't share it, and I don't tell him
But mother is there.
because yeah,
We ask him to eat.
yeah.
All right. It's a nice conversation. So, do you feel you are improving your English when you have conversations like this with me?
Yes, sir.
Very good. All right. And now, who else going to talk about handlebar mustache? Anybody? Netprabha, what's your idea about handlebar mustache?
Actually, I don't like handlebar mustache.
Huh?
I think it looked like a thief. However, our next door neighbor has a handlebar mustache. He's an Indian person.
Oh. You don't think people are handsome with handlebar mustache? No.
No, so they don't handsome with handlebar mustache.
So maybe if a young boy or maybe very young boy, maybe in teens having handlebar mustache will be really odd, and people might laugh at him. Okay. Anything, Hansani, Nirupa, Samarakon, Abdul, tell me. What are your ideas? Hmm? Nirupa?
Yes, I also don't like about that handlebar mustache. That
Now tell me, Nirupa, if somebody in a working place sitting next to you with a handlebar mustache, do you feel like cutting it?
yes,
When he's looking away, or you feel like taking a scissor from home and cut it? Huh?
yes,
Sometimes feel
yes.
like doing that. I feel like feel like feel like it feel like plus feel like plus ing. Again, හිතෙනවා. I feel like eating. I feel like eating an ice cream. Ice cream now. මට දැන් ice cream එකක් කන්න හිතෙනවා. I feel like eating an ice cream now. Similarly, you can say I feel like cutting it off. If somebody is having a handlebar mustache sitting next to me, I feel like when he's looking away, I feel like cutting it off. Nirupa, do you really feel like that? Feel like doing that?
Yes,
You hate
because
that? Hate it?
yes, I hate it because as
What is hate?
because
Hate is the opposite of what? Hate is the opposite of love. You love it.
yes,
Love it means you like it very much. Hate it means you don't like it at all. All right. Hansani,
Yes, sir.
you do feel like cutting it off if somebody is having a handlebar mustache.
Yes, sir. Actually, I think that it is a some kind of old old fashioned,
All right.
but nowadays also we can see some boys
Sporting.
sporting
Oh, now that word is very good now, Sansani. You have learned that word, sporting mustache.
yeah, sporting handlebar mustache, and actually it might be a match for some
People.
people with some middle age or something, not for boys, as I think. Uh, yeah, yes.
That's it. Abdul,
Yes, sir.
what is your idea about handlebar mustache?
So I think for Asian people it doesn't suit.
Mm-hmm.
So English people, I think it's a unique style for them. So in movies, I seen handlebar mustache.
Now, did you learn this word today, handlebar?
Yes,
The first time you heard that word?
yes, sir, first time.
See, it's helpful, right?
Yes, really helpful.
Mm-hmm. Samaragon,
Yes, sir.
tell me something about handlebar mustache.
Handlebar mustache is better for young man,
Young people.
young people, because can understand easily. He's men, good men.
Mm-hmm.
It's like ornament for that person.
Mm-hmm.
I think most of Asian people manage with handlebar mustache. Can easily identify that Indian and Sri Lankan, Pakistan, like not Pakistan, Indian and Sri Lankan men with handlebar mustache.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Do you personally admire handlebar mustache?
Yes,
Mm.
it's appear tough person. That means most of tough. I don't know, tough persons also manage like this handlebar mustache.
You mean thugs?
Yes,
Thugs?
thugs.
Thugs can tappadi.
And yes, sir.
Oh, tough people. Tough can other ralu minisu. Thug can tappadi.
Aluminism.
Then tough people, right? Not thugs. Yeah. Okay. So handlebar mustache. Usiru, do you like to have a handlebar mustache? This kind of mustache is called handlebar. Usiru? Hmm?
I don't like, sir.
You don't like handlebar mustache?
Yes, sir.
Why not? It's beautiful.
Sir, it's beautiful. King.
For kings.
Ancient king.
Kings. Okay. Actually, the man on the left, man on the right is sporting a nice handlebar mustache, but this man's mustache is poor. There is less hair there, so it is not beautiful. It's not thick enough for having a handlebar mustache. Really ugly. So we are moving.
I think you have heard about DSN Kumar. Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Some some people
Now after
tell about
Godavi, he's
him.
going to come, no?
No. In 2024, we have seen YouTube. Monk told about it. He will come to power in 2024 November.
Oh.
Then I think that he may be a
you still believe this? You still believe this kind of monks? And there was one monk. He was
no.
like home
No,
drama.
sir.
He became
Yeah,
the
that
Chancellor
may
for
be
US.
yes, that may be a drama, but they
He's a
tell
real
about
monk.
it. Yes, they tell about it,
Uh-huh.
and not him,
Uh-huh.
but there there are several persons tell about the DSN Kumar.
Uh-huh.
I think that he may be sports handlebar mustache
Okay.
because he will try to uh, show that he is a king of Sri Lanka.
So what he's
He
going
will
to
try.
do? He's going to sell the Sri Lanka to different country or what?
No, he. I don't know, but he will. Those people say that he will develop the country.
Yeah.
I don't know now.
Now, okay, I don't know. Now I hate.
Yeah,
Earlier Nirupa said hate. I hate small scale sales. අර කුඩා පරිමාණයේ sales වලට මම කැමති නෑ. I like grand scale sales. Whole
yes.
country should be sold. මුළු රටම විකුණන්න ඕන පිට රටකට. එතකොට අපි ඒ රටේ වෙනවනේ. Even China
thought-
ඊකට
I
කෙලින්ම
thought-
ඉන්නනම් අපිට මේ passport එක හම්බෙනවා.
Actually, I thought that you want to buy it.
You thought
I thought
I was going to
yeah,
buy it.
all the country.
You are
I don't
you
know.
are-
You are
so
you are
funny,
a
you're telling
person,
jokes.
a rich person, such as that.
That's so rich. And now Fusiru is on sale now. Fusiru, are you for sale?
Yes, sir.
You are
What?
sale now. You are on the showroom. Fusiru,
Why, sir?
are you on showroom now? You're for sale. Your working factory has closed now, Fusiru? You are working now. Work
No,
started.
sir, no.
Oh, that's it. I told that you are to be sold. Okay. Now, are you at home?
Yes, sir.
My goodness. So you are given salary.
No, sir. Today I'm going to office.
Uh-huh. But when the office is closed, what are you doing there?
Office is closed. No, sir. My shift is. Oh, my shift is
Uh-huh.
6 to 2.
No, I thought that your office has been closed down. Now they stopped now this one.
No, sir, no, sir. Sapugaskanda.
Yeah, it's closed.
Yes,
What are you doing
Sapugaskanda
there
is
now?
closed.
Huh?
But Sapugaskanda is closed, but we are open. Muturajala and Kolonnawa.
You
We
transferred
delivered
there.
70% delivery.
When are they going to say so close that?
Sorry, sir.
When are they going to close that? It will not close.
No, sir. Sapugaskanda is also closed, but
Other things also will be closed. Rosie, don't worry. All
soon.
will be closed. Everything will be closed, right?
Sir, sir,
Yeah.
suicide.
You're going to
I'm-
suicide. No, don't worry.
I also.
You going? You should not
No, sir.
suicide. You should murder.
Sir, how can I pay that housing loans?
I know, very difficult. So not
I
only
also-
you, everybody is having the same trouble.
Yes, sir.
Everybody is rolling the wheel. So you have to get some actions. We are worried why people are not still getting any actions. All right. So that is handlebar mustache. Now shaggy beard. What is shaggy beard? Can you listen? Can you hear a song or I mean a little music? Do you hear it?
No, sir.
You don't hear? What music? Can
Shaggy beard. No.
can hear it?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Okay. That's far away. I will close it now. What is a shaggy beard? Can somebody tell me shaggy beard? What a shaggy beard.
It's with a lot of hair.
See, shaggy beard. What is your idea about shaggy beard? Same bad idea. It's not good. Nirupa, what is your idea about shaggy beard? Shaggy beard.
I think that is difficult to maintain for men, and sometimes it's very ugly to see also.
Unclean.
Unclean. And some persons this is used suitable for some persons, some men's. And these days, I saw so many boys and gents having this shaggy beard.
Shaggy beard.
Yes.
Because they have no time. They are afraid of going to salons. Is that?
Yeah, I think so. I think because this in this current situation, pandemic situation, they don't go to the salon. That is some reason, but that is the reason. But now it's coming a trend.
Okay, but maybe they can use the shaggy beard in the place of a mask. You wear a mask. You can have a shaggy beard.
Yes.
Husiru, what is your idea about shaggy beard? Husiru?
Yes, like
you don't like it much?
No, sir. Shaggy beard, like sir.
Beggars.
Beggars.
Beggarly? They have a beggarly look?
Yes, sir, they have beggarly look.
They don't have nice gentleman look, no.
No, sir.
No. Okay. Kumara, what's your idea about shaggy beard? They are beggarly.
No, sir. I think that some beggars also
have it.
Yes, he sports as shaggy beard.
Okay.
Because you know that they always try to show their dirty life.
Yeah.
Dirty life because
that means shaggy beard is a sign of dirt.
Yeah.
Dirty.
Yes, sir.
And then what do you think about Albert Einstein?
Yeah. Yes, that I try to tell
about him.
That thing, yes, because Albert Einstein and Isaac Newton, you know that they have no time to think about their beard or mustache, such a thing. They always think about something which is important for the science or maths. So then always they are thinking about it. Actually, they have no time to waste for the shave it. My idea is that. And all beggars, most of beggars, all beggars, they always try to show they are you know that they want to show that they are mad persons. They are mad persons. Then however most of people always yes, always support them, because that person may be a mad person. But I think that it is always a drama. They always play a drama. That's their job. They behave as mad persons. Then most of people give them money and meals, and you know that dresses.
Yes.
Yeah, so they will collect it,
Yes.
and in the evening they have a shorthand, you know that, and get fried rice, such a things, and live very comfortable.
Yeah.
Yes, comfortably.
They have a, they go for a booze.
Yes.
Booze can put අඩියක් ගහනවා.
Yes.
In English we say booze. They go to have a booze, or they booze. They are boozing. Boozing means drinking alcohol.
Yeah.
In that way. In the evening, all the beggars go for boozers, right? They are boozing.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
You can find them in tavern. What are taverns? Taberuma. Right? In taverns, you can find beggars gather round and boozing. Right. What about Samarokon? What is your contribution about shaggy beard?
Shaggy beard is best for the round type of face because easily maintained.
Okay.
I think appearance is good with shaggy beard. Especially for foreigners also, because they have white color face.
Complexion, white complexion.
Yes, white complexion. Problem is they have to separate time to maintain it. If they are busy, they can't manage it. They have to maintain. Otherwise, appearance is bad. Without maintain beard, it is like a beggar.
Netprava, what's your idea about shaggy beard?
Shaggy beard in this picture is very dirty, but however, well-maintained shaggy beard is beautiful.
That's your idea. Hansani, some positive thinking for shaggy beards? Hansani?
Yes, sir. Actually, can't hear. According to that pictures, the first one is better than other, but if the second picture is like very much dirty, so I think the first one is, if the shaggy beard is like first picture, it's okay.
The last one is the really first class. The last, very bad.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Let us move and we just see what can we hear about this. Now I am going to play a song about beard, right? You will listen to that and find the words. Ready? I will give the words later, right? Now you listen to the song.
All my brothers with beards, raise up your beards, let that thing go out from ear to ear. If you can't see my dimples, I'm so sorry, dear. This ain't no shave November, it's no shaving issue. Max.
What are the words you heard? Abdul?
Sir?
What words did you hear?
I didn't concentrate, sir.
Okay. Anybody? Kumar, you heard something?
Sir, about
the song?
Beard. About the beard.
Nirupa?
Yes. Shave and clear.
Yeah, it's hard to listen. No, it's clear the song.
Little bit.
Okay, let's see. All my brothers with beard, raise up your beards. Let that thing go out from ear to ear. If you can't see my dimple, he can't see, he said can see. Right? If you can see my dimples, I'm so sorry, dear. This ain't no shave, November's no shave in this year. All my brothers with beard, that every brother with beard. Raul තියෙන මගේ සහෝදරවරුනි. Raise up your beard. අපි ඉගෙන ගත්ත නේද raise up කියලා එක සැරයක්. අර glass එක raise කරන්නේ. සෞදිය පුරුමු කියන වචනේ තමයි raise up කියන්නේ. Raise up හැබැයි beer කියලා කියන්නේ. Raise up beer. Beer අරගෙන සෞදිය පුරුමු. Let that thing grow out. With that thing කියන්නේ ඒක. ඒක කියන්නේ beard එක. Grow out from year to year. කණෙන් ගිහිල්ලා අනිත් කණෙන් එන්නම වැවෙන්න දෙන්න. If you can see my dimples, what are dimples? What are dimples again? How are dimples? If you can see my dimples, what are my dimples pain at tongue? I'm so sorry, dear. This ain't no shave November's. Make a November or shave no shave in this year. Ain't කියලා වචනයක් තියෙනවා ain't. ain't කියලා. අනේ ain't කියන වචනේ ඒක ඉංග්‍රීසි කියන හරි ඉංග්‍රීසි නෙමෙයි. isn't කියන එක කෙටි කරපුවාම isn't කියන එක කෙටි කරපුවාම aren't කියන එක කෙටි කරපුවාම aren't කියන එක කෙටි කරපුවාම don't කියන එකත් ගත්ත හැකි don't doesn't aren't ඔය වගේ ඕනම කෙටි එතකොට මේගොල්ලෝ කියන ain't කියලා තේරෙනවද ඕන එහෙම දානවා කතා කරද්දී කියන I don't go there කියන එක ඒගොල්ලෝ කියන I ain't go there this is not good care this ain't good right he is not coming he ain't coming right they realize that that's the informal ඒ කතා කරනකොට කියන එක හරි දැන් ඔයාලා මගෙත් එක්ක කියලා පුරුදු වෙන්න මේ rhythm එක ඉතින් සින්දුවන all my brothers with beards, raise up your beards.
Raise up your beards.
Let that thing go
out from year to year.
If you can see my dimples, I'm so sorry, dear. This ain't no shave November.
No shave in this year.
මේක නොවැම්බර් මාසෙටකම්ම shave කරලා නැහැ. මේ අවුරුද්දේ shave කරන්න. Take November save all my brothers. Okay, now listen. I think you will understand.
All my brothers with beards, raise up with their fangs go wild, If you can't see my dimples, I'm so sorry, dear. This ain't no shave November, there's no shave in me.
Listen again.
All my brothers with beards, raise up with their fangs go wild, Can't see my dimples, I'm so sorry, dear. This ain't no shave November, there's no shave in me.
Listen again.
Sound is not clear, sir.
Avi.
All my brothers with beards, raise up beards, make that thing go wild from ear to ear. Can't see my dimples, I'm so sorry, dear. This ain't no shave November, there's no shave in me.
ඉබර sound එක තේරුණාද? පැහැදිලිද? Was it clear?
No, sir.
Sound was not clear.
No.
මේ සින්දුව ඇහෙන්නේ නැද්ද?
No, sir.
Nirupa, can't you hear the song?
Yanthani and
Yeah.
slightly.
Huh?
Can hear, sir, but little bit not clear.
Not clear.
Not clear. Yes. Okay.
වචන පැහැදිලි නැද්ද? සින්දු ඇහෙන්නේ.
සින්දුව ඇහෙනවා මදිස්.
ඉන්නද?
All my brothers with beards, raise up your beards, let that thing blow out from ear to ear. If you can't see my dimples, I'm so sorry, dear. This ain't no shave November, it's no shaving issue. Max.
ඇහුණාද ඒ පාර?
Yes, sir.
You could hear.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
All right. Then, what is your idea about that song? He has all brothers with beards. What is your idea about that? Samarakon, what is your idea about this song? Brothers with beard කියන්නේ රැවුල තියෙන සහෝදරවරුනි. Samarakon?
Yes, sir.
What is your idea about this song?
Yes, beautiful song.
Beautiful song. All right. Did you listen? Did you hear the words?
I heard some word.
Okay. Right. Husiru,
Yes, sir.
what is your idea about this song?
Sorry, sir.
What is your idea about the song?
This is a good song, sir.
Song.
I like that culture.
Like the culture. Okay. And Netprabha? Hello, Netprabha.
Yes, sir.
What is your idea about the song?
This song is good, sir.
Did you hear the words?
Some words, sir.
All right. I'll give you the song. Please. Ansari, you have to tell me something.
Yes, sir. The idea is some kind of funny
Yes.
and easy to understand, and there are some rhyming words also.
Yes.
And this is a beautiful song.
Yes. Beards with beards.
Yeah.
Right.
Like
And dimples and dimples is not shy. But
no.
November's dear and year and year.
Yeah.
Right, those words. Okay. Let us move to the other one. The other part of the song. Now tell me the words.
With money I saved on my 3 razor blades, gonna get me a Harley, beard blowing in the wind, quite legendary, like old Abe Lincoln. We got a name for folks without beards, they call them women around here. All my
Isn't it?
with money I saved on my 3 razor blades, gonna get me a Harley, beard blowing in the wind, quite legendary, like old Abe Lincoln. We got a name for folks without beards, they call them women around here. All my
Okay. Now what are the words you heard? Samarakon? What are the words you heard? Hello. Hansani, what are the words you heard?
So actually, I couldn't find any word.
Okay.
Really.
Okay. So, Nirupa?
I heard beard and kick and crawling. How much?
Yeah. Now you see, with the money I've saved, with the money I saved, මං ඉතුරු කරපු සල්ලි වලින්, on my 3 razor blades, 3 razor blades වලින් මම ඉතුරු කරපු සල්ලි හින්දා gonna get me a Harley. මම Harley එකක් ගන්න. Harley is very expensive motorbike, right? Gonna means going to. I'm going to get me a Harley. Get a Harley for me. Beard blowing in the wind. සුළඟේ යන මොකක්ද? රැවුල. Quite legendary. Legendary එක. Legend කියන්නේ පුරාවෘතයක් කියන්නේ රැවුල. Like old Abe Lincoln. Abe Lincoln කියන්නේ Abraham Lincoln. පරණ අපේ මහලු Abraham Lincoln වගේ තමයි මේක. අපිත් ඔය දුටු ගැමුණු කියලා කිව්වේ ඒ වගේ තමයි ඒගොල්ලෝ ඒ වචන කියන්නේ. Abe Lincoln. Abe Lincoln කිව්වම අපිට එකපාරටම තේරෙන්නේ නැහැ. මේ වචන නැතුව අහන්න දුන්නා නම් අපිට අහන්නම තේරෙන්නේ නැතුයි. Abe Lincoln, Abraham Lincoln. We got a name for folks. Folks කියන්නේ සාමාන්‍යයෙන් ජනතාව කියන එක. ජනකතාව වලට කියන්නේ folks law කියලා. එතකොට we say folks like folks, you know, people කියන්නේ without beards. රැවුල නැති මිනිසුන්ට අපිට තියෙන නම. They call them women around here. මෙතන ඉන්න ගෑනු කියලා කියන්නේ රැවුල නැති උන්ට. එතන you can see there was a man without beard. He is looking shocked. Okay, now you can read with me. With the money I saved on my 3 razor blades, gonna get me a Harley, beard blowing in the wind, quite legendary. Like old Abe Lincoln, we got a name for folks without beard. They call them women around here.
With money I saved on my 3 razor blades, gonna get me a Harley, beard blowing in the wind, quite legendary, like old Abe Lincoln. We got a name for folks without beards, they call them women around here. Oh, my with money I saved on my 3 razor blades, gonna get me a Harley, beard blowing in the wind, quite legendary, like old Abe Lincoln. We got a name for folks without beards, they call them women around here. Oh, my with money I saved on my 3 razor blades, gonna get me a Harley, beard blowing in the wind, quite legendary, like old Abe Lincoln. We got a name for folks without beards, they call them women around here. Oh, my
Okay, listen to the last time.
with money I saved on my 3 razor blades, gonna get me a Harley, beard blowing in the wind, quite legendary, like old Abe Lincoln. We got a name for folks without beards, they call them women around here. Oh, my
All right. What's your idea? Ansani? Hello.
Yes, sir.
What is your idea?
This part is also good, but and funny. Meaning is some kind of funny and nice. So
You enjoyed that. Nirupa?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, what's your idea?
I think the song is good, but I think the singer is insult some persons, because the last 2 words there we got a name for folks without beards. They call them women around here, like that.
Yes, you don't like that.
Yes. No, I think insults if someone heard this,
If you attack somebody, it is not good.
yes.
Uh-huh.
So, and about the bike, I don't know, sir, how much the Harley, I don't know about the bikes,
Uh-huh.
but
Maybe Rosie knows it. All right. So you heard a lot about beards, right? Abdul, you have something to tell me?
Regarding this song, sir.
Song and beard and whatever. Anything? His voice.
Actually,
Tell me his voice. Is a beautiful voice.
yeah, actually I enjoyed, sir.
Uh-huh.
And these 8 lines indicates huge meaning.
What mean?
So I think there's a politician name also.
Abe Lincoln.
Okay. Yes.
Abe Lincoln is Abraham Lincoln.
Ah.
Yes, old
Okay.
Abe Lincoln.
So they pointing out a message, I think, from this.
What is the message?
So some opposition parties, like that, there's a big meaning, sir, in this song.
Okay. Samaragon? No, I think as a result of these songs and everything, we remember the words beard and all that's right. And Harley blowing in the winds. There's a lot of my brothers with beard and folk without beard. You call them around here. So you remember this song, and I shall send you the song. You read the song, sing the song, and then at the end, you will learn a lot of words with the help of the song. Kumar, what's your idea?
This is a one of a song, and you know that in Sinhala also there's a song na 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 that persons who can sing well. It's also a song. That's also a song. It is tell about the beard.
Yeah.
And I think that one person in this picture got angry about
insult.
Yes.
Insult.
Yes. He got angry. I don't know what happened after that.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Prabha, you want to tell me something about this song or about anything? Beard.
I enjoyed this song, sir.
You enjoyed the song. So do you think doing songs like this in the class good?
Yes, sir. It's very good.
Why good?
I like it, sir.
You like?
It's good. Yeah.
It's not boring then.
No, not boring.
Anjani,
Yes, sir.
you think doing songs in the class good?
Yeah, yes, sir. Actually, it's good, and we can get some ideas about new words and some kind of thing, and for enjoy
In a little time you can learn about the culture, as Rusiru said.
Yes, sir.
Culture also. Okay, anybody wants to add something too? Now we are going to listen to we are going to talk about another collocation, athletic build. You can say somebody's athletic build, or he has an athletic build. The meaning, body with a lot of muscles. Tell me something about athletic build. Usiru?
I think that a person who do exercises very well or sports,
Mhm.
then he has an athletic build.
Okay.
The
But
muscles will
yeah,
grow well.
but don't you know that there are some people they do a lot of exercises, but their body never change even an inch. They are the
Yes,
same
sir.
people. Haven't you noticed some people like that?
Yes, sir.
Uh-huh. They can't
Actually,
change
sir, yes,
Why
you
is
know
that?
that after they are getting fat, they can't do it well. You know that
No,
most
no.
of person getting fat,
Uh-huh.
then they can't they are
No.
weight.
Actually, Kumar, I think there are some bodies, some type of bodies that answer exercises.
Yeah,
And some bodies never answer, right? It takes a long time. You can't even change the body. There are some big people, they do lots of exercises but never change. But those people are healthy, even though they are out of shape and big like that, they are very healthy. They don't have any sicknesses. But some people, they eat a little and they change. Some people, they eat any amount of food they want, they never change. So there are bodies which answer food, which answer exercises. So you'll have to understand what type of food body that you have. So it is very important.
yes, like you and me.
Yes, yes. Our bodies never answer food or
Yeah,
exercise.
any of them.
Yeah, there are like that. Things like that. Okay, Netprabha, what's your idea? Anybody can talk. Don't let me call you by names. You can just talk. Right. And today I want to finish this one. So I'm not going to give you a chance for speech, but anybody has to do a speech. Somebody is there to do a speech today. Anybody is ready for a speech? Then I can just give one chance. Okay. You can see bodies. This is called athletic build. If you have a body like that, you can call I have an athletic build. But you just can't have an athletic build without doing sports and without doing a lot of exercises. Now, this one in the stomach muscles are called six packs. You have three here and three here muscles, they are called six packs. And they are very beautiful, but you can't keep that for a long time unless you do exercises. They change quickly. Right. Then okay. We- So, Hansani, what is your idea about athletic build? Do you like to have an athletic build?
Uh, uh, I think, yes, sir. I think it's good for all people because we should maintain a healthful body.
Mm.
So not only for a good appearance, but also for a health. So I think that we should maintain a athletic build. That's my ideas.
Now, once upon a time in Sri Lanka, all men and even women were athletic built because they had work. They have to go to paddy field and work from morning to evening, and they had to use these things, tools, and they have to drive buffaloes when there were no tractors and machines. They had athletic build and they were very healthy and they could eat anything. And they didn't have even doctors also, no hospitals. And they were really well and fit. And even women had so many works at home. So they were all healthy and they had good food also. And now that good time has gone. So you have to go to gyms and you don't have even rivers have gone. Now you have to go to swimming pool because people have made the rivers very dirty and you can't have swimmings there. So everything has changed. But once upon a time, without gyms, people in Sri Lanka had athletic build. Okay. So anybody has any contribution? Anybody? No? Nirupa,
Yes, sir.
what
I
is
think
your, oh,
I
you want to have an athletic build?
yes, definitely, sir, because that is all, if as Hansani said, all people need to have athletic build because of these days we have a lot of disease and lot of people take a lot of medicines to live. So we can't, if we have athletic build, we can avoid of these things and can have a healthy life. So I need all people need to do exercises and be like this, be like this.
Okay, we'll go to the other one. Next one is broad shoulders. That means wide shoulders. What is your idea about broad shoulders? Hmm? Broad
I think
shoulders.
that broad shoulders have for men.
Yeah. And all men have broad shoulders. Only some men have broad shoulders.
Yes.
Some men. Men
Most
have
of
broad shoulders. Their shoulders are broader than women. That's true. But they are not adequately broad enough sometimes. And do you think, Kumar, is it necessary to have an athletic build?
I couldn't understand your problem, sir. Your question.
Question. Athletic build, I said earlier, athletic build.
Yes, yes.
Now
I know
everybody
about.
now
I know about it.
Now,
But
now I think now those who Nirupa and Hansani said everyone must try to have an athletic build. So
yeah,
you are having the same idea.
yeah.
I said that earlier in Sri Lanka we all had athletic build because of work. Now
Yes.
that good time gone. Okay.
Because most of them are farmers.
Yes.
They always do a lot of things for cultivating,
Yeah.
and they had exercises from them.
All right. Now these broad shoulders also a collocation, right? Broad shoulders. Then you can see these two people, and this man has drooping shoulders. They are not broad shoulders, right? But here, this boy has broad shoulders. Do you see the difference?
Yes, sir.
Uh-huh. So this is what we call broad shoulders and narrow shoulders. This is another word for broad shoulders, wide shoulders. Right? Also is good. Okay. And when you have this kind of drooping shoulders, you can't wear a cloth also. If a cloth you are wearing cloth, that cloth always coming down. Right? All right. Then what about muscular arms? Muscular arms. Something like
Bulk arms.
muscular arms, not bulk. Bulk means without muscles. Muscles are very important, right? This is called muscular arms. They are very strong and fit. So, what is your idea, Samarakon, about muscular arms? Samarakon?
Yes, yes, it is good for hit anyone.
Do you have muscular arms?
I try to maintain, but it is not much.
Okay.
Actually, I agree with you, sir. You said that earlier because no need to go here and there to maintain athletic or any other things because ancient people doing so many things, they are paddy field and any other way. They don't have any diseases. That means a healthy person.
Yes.
Nowadays, at the moment, most of people going here and there to maintain their body. They are always suffering from so many diseases.
Yeah, and these people going to gym, they are taking a lot of vitamins, and that also
Yes.
there are side effects. And early people could eat anything and they could digest anything.
Yes, they didn't go anywhere to take a medicine also.
No hospitals, no doctors, no channel
They
fees.
are at the home and they are, I don't know what is the meaning name. There are some medicine make in house.
Yeah, Ayurvedic medicine.
Ayurvedic, yes.
Yes. And there were some physicians, village physicians, they were very normal people. Right? Okay, now we are going to finish the lesson. Finishing lesson, I'm going to, I think I don't have, yeah. I shall finish this lesson, the whole lesson. දැන් මම මේ කරපු මුළු lesson එකම බලන්න summarize කරලා දෙනවා. එතකොට බලා ගන්න. හරි? මේකෙන් තේරෙන දේ අහගන්න. Appearance එක ගැන අපි කතා කළේ. We talk about appearance. දැන් හොඳට අහගන්න. Appearance. When you talk about appearance, we had lessons, sentences like this. My best friend Joanna is absolutely gorgeous. ඔන්න ඔය කැලේ ඉගෙන ගන්නවා. අපි very beautiful කිව්වට very gorgeous කියන්නේ. අපි හැම වෙලේම කියන්නේ absolutely gorgeous. ඒක තමයි collocation. ඒක තේරෙනවද? Extremely beautiful, very beautiful. So don't say very beautiful, very gorgeous. They say absolutely gorgeous. She has long, sleek, jet black hair. Sleek means smooth and straight. Jet black means perfectly black. ඒ කියන්නේ අර යටින් නිල් පාටට හුරු අපි කියන්නේ අර මිනිස්සුගේ දැන් අර විශ්ණු දෙවියෝ නිල් පාටයි කියන්නේ කළු කියන්නේ උඩරිම කළු වුණාම යටින් නිකන් නිල් පාටකුත් දිලිසෙන නිල් පාටකුත් තියෙනවා. අන්න එහෙම කළු පාටට අපි කියන්නේ ජෙට් බ්ලැක් කියලා. ඒ වචනේ ගන්න ඒක ඕන තරක පාවිච්චි කරන්න පුළුවන්. ජෙට් බ්ලැක් hair කියලා එකට යනවා. නමුත් ජෙට් බ්ලැක් කියන්න පුළුවන්. අපි my dog is jet black. එතකොට ඒ කියන්නේ තද කළු කියන එක. ජෙට් බ්ලැක් කියන එක තමයි තද කළු කියන වචනේ. නිකන් මේ මොනවාද dark black කියන්නේ අපි ගන්නේ jet black. තද දුමුරු කියද්දි dark brown කියන්න පුළුවන්. නමුත් තද කළු කියද්දි dark black කියන වචනේ මේ ගන්නේ jet black. So you have to learn this. Right? And pale and blue eyes. Pale and blue eyes means pale means light color and then blue and a radiant complexion. That also is a then Kumara මේවා ලියලා නේද තියෙන්නේ? Kumara?
Yes, sir.
We have written them. I mean,
Most of them have written. Yeah.
Okay. ඒක තමයි මම summary කරන්නේ. If you want to write, you can write. A radiant complexion. Radiant complexion කියන්නේ දිලිසෙන හමක් කියන එක කියන්නේ radiant complexion. Skin that appears healthy and full of energy. ඒකේ පාට නෙමේ ඒක තේරුම. හොඳ ශක්තිමත් නිරෝගී දිලිසෙන හමකට අපි කියන්නේ radiant complexion. එතකොට my best friend Joanna is absolutely gorgeous. She has long, sleek, jet black hair, pale blue eyes, and a radiant complexion. Okay, I'm going to go to other page. Before that, I will talk about sleek. Sleek is used for hair. This is pronounced as sleek. Sleek can एक adjective का. The meaning is of hair, fur or skin. what කියලා hair ගැන නැත්නම් සත්තුගේ long ගැන ගැන කතා කරන්නේ. එමෙන්න skin හැම ගැන කතා කරලා තමයි මේ adjective එක ගන්න. Sleek. ඒක තේරුම මොකක්ද? Smooth and glossy. Glossy කියන්නේ තෙල් වගේ දිලිසෙන කියන එක. සිනිඳු තෙල් වගේ දිලිසෙන එක තමයි sleek කියන්නේ. ඔයගොල්ලෝ sleek කියන වචනේ ගන්න. හරි sleek. He was tall, එයා උසයි with sleek dark hair. දිලිසෙන කළු කොණ්ඩෙත් සමග. ඉතින් sleek. Sleek is that. දිලිසෙන වගේ තමයි. Hair is sleek hair. මේ කොණ්ඩේ straight කරපු කොණ්ඩේ නෙමෙයි. හරි උගලට තේරෙනවා සමහරකට කියන දැන් මේක පින්තූරයක් වෙන්නේ නමුත් but they have some people have sleek hair. Okay. jet black hair කියන්නේ jet black is characterized as having more intensity. Intensity කියන්නේ intensive කියලා කියන්නේ දැඩි සත්කාරයක කියන්නේ. So intensity කියන්නේ දැඩිකම in color පාට දැඩිකම and containing blue and purple undertones. යටින් tone එකක් තියෙනවා නිල් පාට එහෙම නැත්නම් දම් පාට tone එකක් ඇතුළේ තියෙනවා කළුවට යටින් අපිට යන්තම් පේනවනම් අද්ද පාටක් නම් ඒකට අපි කියනවා jet black කියලා. jet black hair. You see මේ තියෙන hair එක මේ first එක jet black hair. The other one is off black. This one is off black. Off black කියන්නේ කළු වුණා ඊට පස්සේ අඳුර වෙලා පේන නමුත් ඒකේ දිලිසෙන ගතිය නැහැ. මේ නිල් පාටක් යටින් දිලිසෙන්නේ නැහැ. නිකන් අඳුරක් විතර වෙන්නේ. මේකේ යටින් එහෙට මෙහෙට යනකොට දිලිසෙන නිල් පාටක් තියෙනවා. jet black. This one is off black. You must understand. අපිට ඔය වගේ විතරම ඉතින් ඕනේ නැහැ මම නතර නිකන් කිව්වේ. Then pale blue eyes. Pale කියන්නේ සුදු මෙලි කියන එක. සුදු මෙලි නිල් පාට eyes. මෙන්න මේ වගේ. Pale blue eyes. These eyes are pale and blue. You can see pale and blue. Pale blue eyes. Pale blue eyes. Yeah, pale blue eyes. You understand pale blue eyes? So in Sri Lanka, I don't think people have pale blue eyes, but this is the eyes. Next one, people always compliment. අර ඉස්සෙල්ලා කතාව ඉදිරියට කියන්නේ people always compliment. Compliment කියන්නේ සුබ පතනවා. නැත්තම් හොඳයි කියලා අගය කරනවා. Compliment her on her hourglass figure. Hourglass කියන්නේ අපි ඉගෙන ගත්තා. Hourglass කියන්නේ අර පෑතැටි හැටි. ඉතින් scene එක අනිත් කුල මහතට කඳ මහතට. When a woman has large breasts, hips but small waist. එතකොට අපි කියන hourglass figure. Hourglass figure is a collocation. Then people ask her what the secret is to maintaining such a slender waist. මේ තරම් slender waist එකක් තියාගන්න කොහොමද රහස මොකක්ද කියලා ඇගෙන් හැමතැනම මිනිස්සු අහනවා. ඒක slender waist. slender කියන්නේ සිහින්. නැත්නම් thin waist කියන එක. She has a round face. Slender waist කියන එක collocation එක. Round face කියන්නේ collocation එක. Upturned nose. නහය අගින් තුඩින් උඩට හැරිච්ච නහය. And bears a striking resemblance. ඒ කියන්නේ ඉතා පැහැදිලි සමානකම පෙන්වන කරනවට අපි කියන්නේ bears a striking resemblance to a famous singer. බොහොම ප්‍රසිද්ධ ගායකයෙකුට ඉතාම කිට්ටුවෙන් සමාන රූප ලක්ෂණයක් තියෙනවා. People always compliment her on her hourglass figure and ask her what the secret is to maintaining such a slender waist. She has a round face with an upturned nose, and she actually bears a striking resemblance to a famous singer. දැන් ඔයගොල්ලන්ට මේ ටික කියලා බලලා නැවත නැවත මේක බලලා රෙකෝඩින් එකක් අහලා ඔයගොල්ලෝ පුරුදු වෙන්න ඕන කෙනෙක්ගේ ඇපියරන්ස් එක ගැන දෙයක් කියන්න මේ කොලොකේෂන්ස් දාලා විස්තරයක් කරන්න. Joanna could get any guy she wanted. So I was really surprised when she introduced me to her latest boyfriend, who I think is hideously ugly. Joannaට ඕනනම් ඕන කෙනෙක්ගේ යාළු වෙන්න පුළුවන් එතරම් ලස්සනයි. නමුත් මම උඩ ගිහිල්ලා හිටියා. එයා මේ ළඟදී යාළු වෙලා ඉන්නවා මට අඳුරලා දීපුවා. එයා කොයි වගේද? Hideously ugly. මාර කැතයි. ඔන්න මාර කැතයි කියන එකට වචනේ තමයි hideously ugly. You must learn that. Hideously ugly. He has curly shoulder length hair. Trail shoulder length hair. උඩ ඉස ළඟට දිග කොණ්ඩයක් තියෙනවා. මෙන්න මේවා ඔක්කොම කොලොකේෂන්ස් තමයි මම කළුවෙන් දාලා තියෙන්නේ. That looks rather unkempt. Okay? Peerlane unkempt කියන්නේ messy hair. It appears that the person doesn't take care of the hair. කොණ්ඩේ ගැන සැලකිල්ලක් ගන්න නැත්නම් අපි ඒකට කියන්නේ unkempt hair කියලා. මේ කොලොකේෂන් කියන්නේ unkempt එකලා hair එන්නේ හැ. Unkempt hair. Okay. So that you must Then the other one is he has a square face. එයාට තියෙන්නේ හතරස් මූණක්. අන්න එකත් collocation එකක්. Square face. And a ruddy complexion. Ruddy කියන්නේ රතුවට හුරු හමක්. His deep set eyes. එකත් අපි ඉගෙන ගත්තා. ඒ කියන්නේ eyes that are far back in the person's face. අර මූණේ ගිලුණු ඇස් කියන්නේ අතුරට socket එක ඇතුළට ගිලිලා තියෙන ඇස්. ඒක තමයි deep set eyes. යටට ගිලුණු ඇස් කියන්නේ. Are almost hidden under his bushy eyebrows. Bushy eyebrows කියන්නේ ඝන ඇහි බැම. ඒකත් collocation එකක්. ඒ bushy eyebrows මැදින් ඒ ඇස් ගිලිලා තියෙනවා. Big eyebrows with lots of hair and sports a thick mustache. Sports a thick mustache කියන collocation එක. යා ඝන රැවුලක් නඩත්තු කරනවා. And a huge shaggy beard. ඒ වගේම යාට shaggy beard එකක් තියෙනවා. Shaggy beard කියන්නේ ආවට ගියාට විශාලට හැදිච්ච රැවුලක්. Beard with lots of hair කියන එක තමයි shaggy hair. I guess මං හිතන්නේ Jonah doesn't mind his facial hair. doesn't mind it ගානක් නෑ. මං හිතන්නේ ජෝනාට ගානක් නෑ. මෙයාගේ facial hair. Facial hair කියන එකත් collocation. Facial hair කියන්නේ මූණේ තියෙන කෙස් වලට අපි ඔක්කොටම beard, mustache ඔක්කොටම අපි කියනවා facial hair. He has a square face and a ruddy complexion. His deep set eyes are almost hidden under his bushy eyebrows. And he sports a thick mustache and a huge shaggy beard. I guess Joanna doesn't mind his facial hair. So then, I don't know we have time for this. Actually, we might do this. There is a quiz, right? You are going to participate in this quiz and I don't call you by names, but you give the answers. Quiz එකක් තියෙන පාඩම එක. There are words. Home, curly, deep set, facial, medium, muscular, radiant, slender, striking, trim. Home කියන්නේ පීරනවා කියන එක නේද? පණන් පීරනවා. Curly කියන්නේ trail, rally සහිත. Deep set කියන්නේ යටට ගිලුණු ඇස් වලට එන්නේ. Facial, මූණට, medium, මධ්‍යම, muscular. Radiant, දිදුලන, slender සිහින්, striking, trim. Trim කියන්නේ කොට්ටු කරලා ගානට කපනවා. Now get the words. This moisturizer will give you a complexion. So what is the word we can use there? Please tell me somebody.
Radiant complexion.
Radiant complexion.
Very good. Radiant complexion. So we cut that radiant. Okay, we go to the other question. He has a waist and wide hips.
Slender.
Very good. Slender. He has a slender waist and wide hips. He bears a resemblance to a good friend of mine. What is the word? Tell me. Kumara? He bears a resemblance to a good friend of mine. මගේ හොඳම යාළුවෙක්ට සමාන පිළිමක් තියෙනවා කියලා කියන්නේ. Bears a
Trim.
Fish.
what?
Trim.
No.
Striking.
කවුද කිව්වේ?
Facial.
Facial or muscular?
කවුද කිව්වේ උත්තර? හා?
Striking.
කවුද කිව්වේ? Answering?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Okay. Striking, yes. You have to remember that. Striking resemblance කියලා තමයි කියන්නේ අපි. දෙටම සමාන පෙනුමක් තියෙනවා කියන්නේ. Striking resemblance. Striking resemblance. අපි කියන්නේ he bears a striking resemblance to a good friend of mine. ඔයාලට කියන්න පුළුවන් I bear a striking resemblance to my father. මම අපේ තාත්තට කපාව පළුව වගේ කියන්නේ ඒක. ඒ වගේම හැඩේ තියෙනවා කියන කපාව පළුව කියන්නේ. there is striking resemblance to කාට හරි කිව්වම මේ වගේ කපව පොළොක් වගේ කියන අදහස එනවා. එතන he bears a striking resemblance to his father. එහෙම කිව්වොත් තාත්තගේ කපව පළුව. එහෙනම් කපව පළුව කියලා කොහොමද කියන්නේ කුමාර? You understand? Hello?
Yes, sir.
You have to remember this word. කපව
Yeah.
පළුවක් කපලා දෙන්නේ මේක. You have to remember this. You can say, I bear a striking resemblance to my father. Or you can say, my son bears a striking resemblance to my grandfather. Something like that. Okay? Next point. Number 4. Right. I've never liked my blank hair. I wish it was straight.
Curly hair.
Curly.
Curly.
Well,
He's
deep set.
Deep set.
yeah. His deep set
Deep
eyes.
set.
Deep set eyes. His deep set eyes make him look very pensive. Pensive is doubtful, right? Not sure. Then I love men with what?
Curly.
Trim hair.
Curly.
Trim.
Facial hair. Curly is the
Facial hair.
Oh, I love men with facial hair. Facial hair means beard, mustache, and whiskers. You understand?
Okay, sir.
Then, would you
Comb.
please your hair?
Comb.
Hmm?
Comb your hair.
Comb your hair. It looks like you just gotten out of bed. Out of bed කියන්නේ ඔයා නිකන් ඇඳෙන් නැගිට්ටා වගේ මේ නිින්දෙන් නැගිට්ටා වගේ මේ නිින්දෙන් නැගිට්ටා වගේ කියන එක මේ යටින් කියන්නේ මෙහෙම. It looks like you just gotten out of your bed. Okay.
Visit කරන්න. ඒවා හැටි.
Next one. 8. I am not changing my hairstyle. I am just getting a
Trim.
trim. There's only 2 more. He has blank build. He is not particularly strong, but not especially skinny either.
Muscular.
Medium.
Medium.
That's the last one. My soccer coach. Soccer means football. My soccer coach has very muscular legs. Soccer again football in the football ගන්න කකුල් දෙක කොහොමද එක්සර්සයිස් කරන muscular. Okay. Now the last point, we are going to listen to a song and try to enjoy this song. I will stop. Did you know that some people say, wait, I think that. Did you know that? I can't do that. You have to listen to it. Read the words and try to listen to it. Wait, there's a little problem here. Okay, now okay.
Some people say there should only look a certain way. They want to change, they want to change, they want everyone to look the same. But that's so boring. Make up the grade, all kinds of hair are all okay. Long or short, curly or straight, big or fine,
listen up, both girls and boys. Celebrate your hair and let's make some noise. Even if it's gone, that's beauty too. It's not what's on your head that makes you you.
Girls, 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 everywhere around the world. Don't be shy or try to hide. Show off your hair, do it with pride. Girls, 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 everywhere around the world. Beautiful, just as you are. Remember that, and you'll go far.
Did you enjoy the song? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Beautiful.
Yes, sir.
Song is beautiful.
Yes.
Would you hear it? It is,
Yes,
I
heard.
think little hard, but I can put it. I can put that in the group. Then you can listen again and again and learn it. Have you done it last time? Or you can. I am sending a recording and you can listen to that. Have you done it last time? Did you listen to the song? Kumar, did you listen to the song last time?
Sir.
Did you listen to the
Yes.
song last time?
Yes, sir.
You enjoyed that?
Yeah.
And again, I am sending this song. You can enjoy. Another song, the full song about beard, I'm sending with the words. You can listen, right? Okay. Now listen again. Last time.
You know that some people say there should only look a certain way. They want to change, they want to change, they want everyone to look the same. But that's so boring. Long is fine, perfectly free, all kinds of hair are all okay. Long or short, curly or straight, it's so fine, it still looks great. Girls, 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 everywhere around the world. Don't be shy or try to hide. Show off your hair, do it with pride. Girls, 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 everywhere around the world. You're beautiful just as you are. Remember that and you'll go far.
Hey, listen up, both girls and boys. Celebrate your hair and let's make some noise. Even if it's gone, that's beauty too. It's not what's on your head that makes you